Case name Tarun and age is 17 years. Today date is 11th of June 2026 and complaint of girlish and childish voice. I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. Why you came here?
I have a disorder called high pitch voice, and when I am talking to phone, somebody tell ma'am or girl, and I uncomfortable with that voice.
Post therapy video of Tarun, and today date is 18th of June 2026. Tarun, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. What was the problem? Why you came here?
I had problem of high pitch voice. When I came here, my voice was very thin, and I can't speak loudly. Now my voice was clear and I can speak loudly also.
So when you spoke after the voice therapy first time, what was the reaction of your friends?
My friend told me that you have a cold or a cough, and I told I have taken the therapy with SLP Sanjay Kumar sir.
So you have recorded your voice sample. What difference you observe first day and today?
It was very good, sir.
Can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Okay, sir.
So those who are watching this video, if you see positive changes, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place for the treatment. Thanks for watching.